Went like this.
Barra. No way! What are the odds of that? Seriously, what are the odds of that?
Another piece.
So we're doing a competition today, guys. Biggest Barra is going to have the joy of the bedroom in our single bedroom motel shared between 3 fellas. So that's nice. Oh yes. Christening the new rod pretty early on. Start with BG. We've hooked ourselves a fish. Alright, he wants to run this way. Fish on, let's hope we can get this one in. See how we go. 10-pound leader, 30-pound braid. Hopefully it's not a massive fish and we can get this guy in. He doesn't look too big actually. He's a healthy barra, but he's no monster. Don't swim through those groves. Don't swim through those groves. Whatever you do, no go through there. No go through there. No go through there. Oh no, he went straight through the groves. Nice, Jamie.
Alright, number 2.
Yeah, that should be good.
Oh, that's him right on the bank.
Oh yeah, he's right over the edge there.
It wasn't the first one, it was the biggest one, right?
Yeah, it's biggest, but I mean, no one else. This guy hasn't hooked a fish. Mine was on for about 3 seconds, so you're already beating us. Righto, Bookie, what's the odds here, mate?
50 with him.
50-50. Oh, I'm gonna put $100 on Jamie. Oh fuck. Can I cash out? No.
You can go, but catch up. Watch.
Sure it's not a Jew?
Water.
Oh, sorry, I saw myself in the water reflection. Hang on. Oh, that's a nice brim. Yes, Jamie. 65, number to beat.
I should have said 75.
Yeah, shit, I wouldn't have remembered. Cunt, you would have got me. Oi! Oi!
Listen to the shark head shakes.
One from one, mate. You got this. Oh, that's a nice barra. Maybe it's the one Jamie hooked, bro. It's a, I hope we all tie up so we all get to have the bet.
Oh, I'll catch a deal. We'll just take the fish each. Touch a rod. Now if we win, we're sharing the bet!
Yes!
That's it, mate.
Yeah.
As much as you want to just skull drag
Yeah.
so you can get that.
Oh, do you want me to get that? Oh no, it came off.
Oh.
No, it came off at the bank line. They lost it. No, they lost it, bro. Oh no. They're swearing at each other and shit now. It's probably...
Right, how nice is this Barramundi? Just play with me.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Here's a nice one too. I'm doing the walk back. I think you might have broken that 60.
Yeah, I reckon that's beaten 65. Oh,
Yes!
well done, mate.
Oh,
Oh, bro.
Sean knows in the bed.
Yeah, fucking oath he is. 77. Sean with the bed. Beauty. Nice, mate. Righto, guys. Average luck today, but you best bet on this cast. One of these rods that's catching me a barra. There's a lucky coin. Touch it with the lucky necklace as well. Give him a kiss. Bless up. I'm not a believer in God, but if I don't catch a barra in the next hour, I might become one. Nice. Hang on. Go, come under me. Oh wait, hang on. Come, bring your rod tip right down to the water. Oh shit. You got him? Nice.
What is it? What's the number to beat?
Brim.
70.
He's just sitting. Oh mate, that was lazy.
That is bigger than 77.
Nah, I don't think so. I think Sean's still got ya. I think he's close, but I think Sean's still got ya. He bumped it too before he ate it.
Yeah.
Yeah, because he bumped it. Like, remember 5 minutes ago, I was like, oh, you fish on that rod.
Yeah,
Bully Bully Rundy. I don't know, about 60. I reckon. It's so weird because you never see bream jump in the wild.
No.
But in here, they just fucking.
It feels a bit bigger. I'm thinking I might be sharing a bed with Sean.
I'm sharing a bed with Sean regardless if I catch a barrow or not.
I'm just going to invite you in soon.
Oh, well, there you go. That's all I need. I'm like a vampire with a bed, mate. If I get an invite, I'm going in. Oh, there he is.
Not a bad size.
I feel like this is going to be very close. What's the number to beat?
77.
77. All right, moment of truth. You know what? I'm backing him in. I reckon Jamie's got you, Sean.
You reckon he's got me?
I reckon he's got you.
Well, I reckon you don't know how to count.
Well, I reckon that too, but still, I reckon he's got you. He's fucking got you. He's got you. Oh,
fuck off.
he does. No, he's got you.
78.
He's got you. That's 78.
78.
Enjoy the floor, you bastard. Nice, Jamie. Nice. Well done. Jamie's in the bed by a centimetre.
Once you're in the bed, that's what you're going to get too.
Yeah, there's a joke there about a centimetre and a bed. Yeah, yeah. Apparently we got a fish. Hey? Yeah, I know, right? What's the odds of that?
He's riding close. Honestly, reckon you would have just got your cock out for a fish.
No, I didn't even, bro. There's some dude in the toilet. Been there the whole goddamn time. Oh, it's not much of a fight. This is the same one we've already caught, man.
Yeah, how was that, mate? How was that?
Oh, yes, there we go. 10 out of 10. Oh, that fucking sucks, doesn't it? Righty, really, barra, guys. Probably the hardest fight I've ever had in my life. 74, 74, I reckon. Oh, it's camera work, that is. Look at that. Right, I'll take it. I guess it's a fish.
Went like this.
Barra, 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 barra. No way. What are the odds of that? Seriously, what are the odds of that?
Another piece.
Oh shit, he's running hard for that corner.
Do you want me to pull his head?
No, he should be right, bro. Try and get him out. There's only 10 pound though. Oh, he's going under that. Coming this way. Keep coming this way. Oh no, dude.
Oh, he is. He's under there. Hopefully there's no like string under it.
I got him out. Yes, yes, yes. Come on.
Oh no, he's coming straight up at it.
Come out. Come out. Oh no. Oh no, it's only on 10 pound. This doesn't look good. This doesn't look good at all, guys.
You know what's up, mate?
At least we can get this angle on him. Yes, yes, yes. Out, out, out. Oh, he's a good one. He's a good one. I'm kind of thumbing the spool a bit here, guys.
Oh no, you're over nuts. Slow down. Where am I gonna go? Double over.
Oh, he's nearly out. He's nearly out. He's nearly out. Oh, he wants to go back in. What a battle.
See where I'm at? Yeah, keep on. Keep on, keep on, keep on.
Oh shit, this feels like a good one, eh? Look at him. Look at him carving.
Watch that corner.
Good way to christen a rod, guys. We got our Saltist and Daiwa BG. Oh, he's going for that corner too. As long as he stays away from that, we're okay. No, you can keep going that way, that's alright. Problem is how far out he gets. Shit, this is a good one. Come on, mate. Come on, mate. You about done? You about done? Yeah, you probably would actually. That's a cheap fight, that is. Surely he's done here. Had your fun, mate?
In general, just fair, I swear every fish we hooked just went spastic last time.
Yeah, oh, fight-wise, yeah. They're feeding more actively, but they're definitely not fighting as well, yeah. Alright, pretty much done here, are we, buddy? Oh, he's not even that big. I don't think he's a bedfish. He's a good barra. That'll do. Nice.
What do you do, mate?
Shit, accept. I really want it to be 78. I mean 79.
Do I cube up some of those old pillies?
Oh, what is it to tie, Sean? Oh, he's 78, cut. He's touching 78.
You and me sharing 100%.
Yes, let's go. We're sharing the bed. Not you, cunt. You're on the floor.
Yeah, well, I get 2 now.
I was holding up the camera.
So,
Barramundi, 78. Let's go. Oh, yep. Barra.
cheers.
Damn, dude. Just never quite had the hook, eh? Oh, he seems to get it where he wants it every time. He's going to get it where he doesn't want it tonight in the bed. Air raid. Get down! I thought you were actually getting down there.
Guys in the water.
Right, you can put it in the palm of your hand and close your hand like that. There you go. Fish coming for you next, mate. Which rod was it? Lucky coin?
Lucky coin,
I'm telling you, man. What's our opinions on these fellas that get around with the full fucking face shields and stuff?
Hey? I mean,
Like that cunt over there with the full fucking face mask on and shit. I'm just saying, I think that, like, in my opinion, getting a sunburn is a part of being Australian. I'm out here in a fucking singlet. I want to be red raw. I want my skin peeling off. I want to be in pain when I sleep for the next week. These bastards out here with their goddamn skull face masks on get a goddamn sunburn like an Australian. Oh, but the sun can give you cancer. I don't care. Be Australian? Like, come on, grow up. You're worried about cancer, bro. Go outside and live a little. Oh, but what about the cancer? Shut up. Meat gives you cancer. Eggs give you cancer. Everything gives you cancer. Get a goddamn sunburn like a real fucking Australian. It's not hard. So what is the overall score for the day? I've lost 1.
that's my first one I just lost.
1. Jamie's lost 2.
2, I think, yeah. So
2. So 4 plays 6.
Yeah.
So we're winning. Big of
That's what
a...
I said.
Like, oh yeah, barra. We hooked them all the way down the end as well. You come all the way bloody up here.
They know where to go.
They certainly do. Stop! You're done! You may not need to, mate. I think he's over 78. I think this one's in the 80s, I'd say. Nice, Jamie. That's a hog.
Beautiful.
That might just win you a motel bed, mate. Holy fuck.
87.
87.
Or 80. Call it 88. That's 88 there.
Yeah, it's 88.
No, it's not
Yeah.
88, so.
No, it's 76.
Times because he's just trying it in live.
Holy fuck, Jamie. Yeah, line's coming back. He has to have that.
Fish. Oh, he's more than got that. John?
Yeah.
100%.
He's gone straight under there.
What's your...
No, he's come off. He's let the whole thing go. Look at that. Look at that.
Yeah, surely.
Barra. Ah, yeah, mate, it's all, man. Oh, he wants to run. Oh, hang on. We got problems here. Let me come over you. Yeah, there you go. You're under. Right, he's so close to those mangroves, eh? Come this way. Oh! Jumped and spat it.
don't fishing. This is the last fish, please don't.
Okay. What do you mean it's the last fish? You
I
fucking
guarantee this is the last one.
zero faith in us, cunt. Yeah, it might be the last one.
Mate, I've had too many runs.
Was he close or was he?
Nah, that was rugby up there.
Yeah, right. I look like head shakes of a brim, Jamie.
Nah,
reckon.
you caught one fish today. You don't know what you're doing.
Oh, it is a brim.
Is this the bed?
Nah, it's not the bed, cunt. It's not the bed. It's not the bed.
Don't you fucking know!
Oh. Oh, yes! Bro, straight away.
Silence is key to this fight, mate.
Keeping it pretty loose. I don't want to lose this one, mate. I don't want to lose this one, mate.
That's the worst feeling. You don't want to go too loose and give it too much.
No. Fuck. You hit the mangroves then, like literally hit them. We're going a little tighter here. A little tighter here. See, if this was on the 13 pound, I'd be really muscling up by now.
What you got on this one, 8?
10. So it should be enough, but you just don't want to be risking it. He's all right?
60s, yeah, I reckon.
He's not 88s.
Oh, he's definitely 67%.
And the best part is, ladies and gentlemen, we're coming back to do all this again tomorrow.
Oh, I know, right? None of us are all stressed, eh? Like last time, we were all like, no, we need to get one more.
Yeah.
We all fucking went our different directions. Oh, hang on, look at that.
Don't go around that. Don't go around that. Don't go around that. Feels a good fish. Stay on, buddy. Stay on. Don't do that. Don't do that. Stop moving.
Right on the edge of it, right?
Coming off it?
Yeah.
Sweet. Am I wrecking?
Yeah.
Sweet.
The red dot on the just above the front screen.
Yeah, that should work. Oh, he's not bad. I think he's second smallest of the day though. I don't think he's a big one. Come on, stay on now. Stay on now, buddy. Oh, he comes up this channel here. It's just about over. Yeah, you got to, man. You got to keep him fit, you know. Come on, buddy. Nearly there, nearly there. That's a bigger one. You beauty. Here we go. He's coming up. Nearly, nearly, nearly. He's nearly done. Come on, here we go.
I think you're on the side and you're on.
He's not bad, yeah, he's not bad, Barra. Yes! Nice, mate.
Holy gosh.
He's not bad, Barra, yeah, you'll take that. You're not saying no to it.
Oh, I'm measuring the other way, would you?
Nah, he's not there. 81. Number 2 of the day. Nice fish.
Yeah, mate.
You beauty!
It's lovely, that.
Oh, look at this. Heaps of room. And this will be Jamie's abode. I'm the first one here, so I'm going to rub my nuts all over the bed.
Microwave.
Oh, I haven't got the key yet. You reckon we fire up this microwave, lads? Oh, free key. What are the odds?
So we're staying in, aren't we?
These cunts are actually flipping through the fucking book they leave you
Right.
at hotels, man.
It's all about safety, alright?
Yeah.
You want to find a pub? I'm sorting this out.
What are we doing in case of an emergency? Any ideas?
Hang on. Hang on. Where are we at?
Oh no.
Emergencies. If life threatening, please call. No, please phone 000 for non-threatening emergencies.
Oh no,
Police
someone's
phone,
dropped the alarm.
Police link and
That's no good.
what's police com?
Like,
Tell you in a minute.
like. This lad here's got his nice bed. I'm borrowing his mattress. Look at this. This thing's like a fucking double Big Mac. It's not working, is it?
Yeah, it is. It'll work.
Is it?
Yeah, it will. To a certain point. That's not me on a Sunday morning, just a wreck.
I thought about letting him blow it a bit more.
Fucking motel owner's like, yeah, these guys just rolled in next door. There's power tools going on. They're screaming and yelling.
Which one?
There's talks about people dying. I don't know what's going on here.